So why I've got the opportunity, and it's not often when I'm doing my rounds that I have the opportunity to do so, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you what I carry in my bag when I'm doing surveys. So the DJI drone, fantastic, use it all the time, have that with me every time, every day we have that with us, and providing I've got permission to fly it, and I will, but I'll always do things from ladders. Ladders are on the van. These ladders here that I'll always use, which is, this thing is fantastic. This I use nearly all the time, getting up into loft through the loft ladder, through the loft hatch in a property, or single story extensions, or sometimes I will go up to a single story extension and lift it up and get onto another one above it. So that is, the surveyor's ladder is absolutely fantastic. This is a damp meter, which is brilliant. We use these all the time. This is for taking readings of damp timbers, walls, timbers, all sorts. And there's many other things that does. It will work out relative humidity in a room. I can take the humidity of a room. I can even work out in there, set it to work out a dew point in a room. So there's so many things that I can do. This is my selfie stick that I use all the time, which is extendable. And when I'm on a roof, I'll put my phone in here and extend it right out with the phone in there, and then I can look over and look back and take photographs. Put this in my hand, clip, 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 and I can take a load of photographs with this. I can stick it out of windows. I can get to a lot of places with this. And on the van, I've got one of these, which is 8 meters long as well. So if you can't fly the drone, I can do an awful lot of work just with this. And that's the way we used to do it, with ladders, this, and the 8 meter stick. So we've got that. So I always carry a couple of these. I've only got one in here at the moment, which is a light for when I'm in a loft or something like that. That's nice and bright. Tape measures. Always got 2 or 3 different tape measures in here. Then on top of that, inspection tools for looking in seams on roofs, knives, things like that, gloves. And I'll also carry samples of roofing products. There's a piece of EPDM, notepads. There's always things in here. This is a small sample of a vapor control layer. I've got a bag, I've got lights, torches, and I've got dust masks as well, because you go into a lot of places where you need to wear dust masks. So hopefully that gives you an idea of all the stuff that I'm carrying around with me. Obviously it helps me to do the site surveys and be able to record everything for you. Now I also carry a GoPro, which I'm using at the moment, and I also carry the recording stuff that I'm using at the moment. A lot of stuff carried around can cover most things just by carrying this bag and taking this ladder around. Hopefully that helps anybody. If you need any more information from me, please don't hesitate to send an email or give me a phone call. Hopefully hear from you soon. Speak soon. Bye-bye.